2023 के शुरुआत के महीने में 2 बढ़िया सीरीज, एक बेहतरीन मूवी ऑलरेडी देख चुकी हूँ। मतलब कुत्ते और पठान तक तो भी हम पहुंचे भी नहीं है। इफ दिस इज अ साइन फॉर थिंग्स टू कम, ये साल का सबसे पहला रिव्यू फीचरिंग एन एब्सोल्यूट रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ एन एक्टर, भुवन बाम। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर दोस्तों, माय नेम इज सुचारिता। You are watching a series review क्योंकि today we're talking about ताजा खबर, now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar।
समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ये वरदान है या श्राप?
तो भुवन इज वसंत स्लैश वस्या, मुंबई की एक चौल में रहने वाला नौजवान who spent the better part of his life managing a public toilet and does odd हफ्ता collection jobs for the local brothels madam। अपने दोस्तों, फैमिली और अधूरी ख्वाहिशों के साथ वस्या की लाइफ मोस्टली डे ड्रीमिंग में कट रही है until the day everything changes। Reuniting last year's experimental YouTube series ढिंढोरा की टीम, जिसमें निर्देशक हिमांक गौर, प्रोड्यूसर रोहित राज एंड राइटर्स हुसैन और अब्बास दलाल सब शामिल है। All of it was fronted by producer actor creator Bhuvan Bar himself। ताजा खबर is tonally as different as possible from the last outing. This time, the show is not trying to be different. It's not altering the form the way they did in Dhindora. Rather, this is good, old, tried and tested narrative storytelling, जहां एक हीरो है, एक हीरोइन, दोस्त, मोहल्ला, corrupt politician, rags to riches, और एक moral of the story. And like any self-respecting Hindi masala story should, there is a little bit of magic.
मेरे पास एक वरदान है, मेरे को सब खबर वक्त से पहले मिलता है।
These mainstream storytelling devices, plot points, characters keep Taza Khabar from feeling dull or dated thanks to skillful implementation. Hussain and Abbas Dalal approach the foolproof traditional narrative conventions and stick super tight and super hard to the plus points, trusting what is known to work. Call to adventure, Icarus, The Temptress, magic realism, messages of religious harmony, they're all dexterously assimilated to offer not just an entertaining storyline but also insightful socio-political commentary. Taza Khabar displays rather exemplary attention to detail, a trait that was visible in Dhindora as well. When in that series, minute details like a Tata Nano car driving with the large truck ka horn were added in to generate absurdist humor about things and people living औकात के बाहर. Every tiny throwaway moment in Taza Khabar carries with it even more intentionality. शुरू के एपिसोड के एक सीन में चाय की टपरी पर बैठे अंकल ना गॉसिप कर रहे हैं आपस में वॉर के बारे में। They're regurgitating the famous घर में घुस के मारेंगे rhetoric. As Vasya sits down, he's scrolling on his phone. There's a quick headline on his phone talking about increase in petrol tax. Having Devin Bhojani and Nitya Mathur play Mehboob and his daughter Shazia, JD Chakravarti play Shetty, Prathamesh Parab play Peter, it's all dangerously close to tick mark inclusion. But as the show goes on, one realizes that the setup of this mohalla these characters live in is a microcosm of how the show's creators see India. Multicultural, struggling to understand wealth creation, but like Bhuvan Bam's own USP, appreciative of the power of community. It might remind you of Kundan Shah and Syed Akhtar Mirza's short-lived but hugely popular TV show Nukkad. I'm just saying. When Vasant comes into money, he changes his name to Vardhan, a divine intervention, magic realism. Because the only way for the have-nots to accumulate riches in one lifetime, quickly enough to be able to live a life different than the one they were born into, is either by hoodwinking rich people like Parasite or by some sort of supernatural wizardry. नहीं तो वस्या वहीं शौचालय का मैनेजर रह जाएगा, living a literal shitty existence, dealing with institutional apathy, invisible in a crowd of millions with no discernible ways to get out.
चमकने वाला चड्डी लाया तेरे लिए, मधु को मजा आएगा।
By definition, magic realism elements of the show rooted further in a believable reality. Politicians deflecting parties, newly constructed bridges collapsing. From Vasya keeping 1,000 rupees under 3 layers of intricately hidden locks and keys, to him as a newly rich man and his idea of what's fashionable. Many details like this ensure that despite the unexplained enchantment which becomes the show's inciting incident, the proceedings don't feel otherworldly. You know what I'm saying? Bhuvan Bam first forayed into dramatic acting with the short film Plus Minus, where he barely managed to hold his own in front of a seasoned Divya Datta. The performer you see here now is ready for actual stardom as a serious actor. Perhaps I'm just so impressed with his work here, making me read too much into it, but the actor has truly bared his soul in Taza Khabar, if I may use that cliche. Like many other YouTubers, Bhuvan found internet fame 6 to 7 years ago, and as if by magic, a switch was flipped and suddenly clips from BBK Vines were on every mobile phone screen. People couldn't get enough of him. It's interesting to note how the journey which Bhuvan had is somewhat mirrored in Vasya, a man suddenly aware of the potential magic wand, so to speak, he's been handed. He's thinking rapidly, planning methodically how to convert it into a viable business he will continue to fully own while managing a tight-knit community around him. He makes his way to newspaper headlines, website clickbait fodder, the Coffee with Karan couch, all the while hoping to give his mother a life she didn't think could exist. It's a case study like none other, and I, for one, am just so bloody excited to see where the performance is going to go next. ताजा खबर के डायरेक्टर हेमांक गौर ने एक काम जो सबसे बढ़िया किया साल की शुरुआत में मन लगा के ध्यान देके बहुत तरीके से कास्टिंग की है इस सीरीज की. श्रेया पिलगांवकर is just pitch perfect as Madhu, a sex worker who also runs her own boutique fashion line sweetly named Madhu Creations. In a world where her own body is not hers, she's named her label something she's birthed. She's created this. Her whole life becomes about this one thing she has ownership over. It's a really, really good performance. Like the characters, the music of Taza Khabar has been carefully curated as well. Divya Kumar, Dev Negi, Bhuvan himself, and frickin' Parikrama feature on this really fun album. I particularly enjoyed the theme music, credited to Saurabh Lokhande and Jarvis Menezes on Spotify. Having said that, the songs are 100% male. Unless I missed something major, I don't think I heard a single feminine vocal throughout this expansive album, which unfortunately lends the entire series a layer of that avoidable Londa vibe, highlighting the drawback of having an all-male creative team, which unfortunately was also an issue I had with Thindora.
भाई मैं तेरी लाइफ चेंज कर देगा.
The show ends on a cliffhanger, promising a continuation. And if I caught the timeline correct, it's safe to assume that the next season will take place during the initial corona pandemic lockdown. Interestingly, the 6th and final episode ends at the show's only major all is lost moment, which could feel incomplete and slightly loose. Nonetheless, considering the episodes are about 30 minutes each, it's a very undemanding, breezy watch, and perhaps the lack of a more solid sucker punch at the end won't be bothersome to most viewers. Bhuvan and producer Rohit Raj are so sure of the story they're telling, not just in narrative fiction, but overall, and who their target audience is. The whole thing is kind of a masterclass in actual real-life myth-making. I'm looking forward to where this journey heads next. For now, you can watch their latest addition to the lore of Bhuvan Bam on Disney Plus Hotstar.
किधर जा रहे हैं?
औकात के बाहर.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, ताजा खबर is 2000 के नोट तो बंदा ऐसे उड़ा रहा है इस शो में जैसे उसके वरदान ने उसको बता दिया हो कि ये रूमर सच है, ये वाले भी जाने वाले हैं, निकाल दो जितने निकाल सकते हो. रिव्यू ने अगर आपकी मदद करी इस शो को contextualize करके बेहतर समझने में, या if you found anything in this whole video which spoke to you, please channel को subscribe कीजिए. Today we're also talking about the big movie release of the week, After Sun. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.